Friends, we have one more exercise number 23. Here you can see, first of all we study this sketch. Now first of all we start from this side and make this section. The total height of this object is 37 plus 38 mm, and now adding this 12 mm. This both side rib is given, the slot is given. Now first of all we start this sketch and draw this rectangle 175 length and 37 mm height. So open the Creo, select the part, solid part, and enter the model name exercise 23. Okay, now select the sketch front plane, draw the rectangle, give the dimension 175. This one is a half of 175. Height is 37 mm. Draw the another rectangle. The dimension of this rectangle is 62 and 25 mm height. 62, 25 mm height, and take into center. So enter 62 divided by 2. Draw the another rectangle, top side 30, which is the dimension is 38 mm height and 50 mm length. Another rectangle 50 mm and height is 38 mm. With the dimension from the center line 50 divided by 2. And the top edges rectangle, to this 38 mm height from this edge and 75 mm length rectangle from this edge with the dimension 75 mm, 38 mm height, and take into center from the center line 75 divided by 2. Select the trim and cut the unnecessary line. Make it close. Finish. Select. Select up to 25 mm. Okay. Now here the same section is extrude. So remaining 25 mm extruded here, because this one is a 25 mm, but extrude this one additional part. So first of all we calculate total length 200 mm minus 100 and minus 50. So this one is the 50 mm length, but here we done 25 mm, so extend up to 50 mm. But here you can see this edge is both same and total height is same, so extrude up to 200 minus 25, so it become 175. Open the select sketch, select this face and draw here, select a line, take a coincide constraint, coincide with relative edge, okay. Extrude up to 175 mm, okay. Select view, okay. Now we make these parts for which one is a 12 mm height and 50 mm length. Before that we make this slot 100 mm left from this edge. Open the Creo, select this face, okay. Draw the rectangle, give this dimension 50 mm, see here 50 mm and depth is 12 mm. Coincide with this edge, 12 mm from this edge, 100 mm. How we calculate this? Here you can see the total height is 37 plus 38, 75 mm. Here this one is a 25 mm, this one is a 50 mm plus 50 plus 12 mm 87 minus 12 mm 75. So you can calculate this, both height is same. We cut the section, select extrude, opposite direction, select throughout, okay. Select sketch, select this top face, okay. Now we make this slot 12 mm. Select the rectangle, total length 12 mm, same this one 12 mm, constraint, select X2 through all, opposite direction, remove the material, okay. Now make this rib (12 mm) and distance is given 75 mm from this edge. So select sketch, this top face, okay. Draw here line, this point dimension 75 mm. Select constraint, coincide with this edge, this one and this one. Okay. Extrude this 12 mm. Select extrude, enter here 12 mm, reverse direction. Okay. Select the extrude and mirror this one, mirror. Select this mirror plane. Okay. Now make this part. Draw the top base 50 mm. This one is a 31 mm. Now make this shape in model. Select the back side. Draw here one rectangle. mm, half of 50 mm, 12 mm. Now coincide with this edge. Okay. Now extrude up to this face. Select extrude up to selected. Select this one. Okay. Now make this slot 31 mm and 12 mm here. Sketch, draw here. Draw the rectangle. This one is 31 mm, 12 mm. Select, coincide this edge. This one is a half of 31 mm. Okay. Select extrude, opposite direction up to selected. Remove this one. Okay. Now make this hole 50 mm from the center and 25 mm diameter. Select sketch. Select circle, 25 mm diameter, and hold the dimension from this edge 50 mm. Okay. Select extrude, opposite direction. Okay. Now our exercise is done. Thanks for watching this video.